Today we will learn another line drawing algorithm, Bresenham line drawing algorithm. This is part 2. Before learning this video, you have to learn the first part of this video, otherwise you can't get this video clearly. Today we will learn the corresponding algorithm for Bresenham line drawing algorithm. So we already learned from the previous lecture that when the value of decision parameter is greater than 0, then the line passes through yi plus 1 becomes yi plus 1. So when the value of xi equals to xi plus 1, value of y is yi plus 1. And if the decision parameter value is less than 0, then the value of y is what? Value of y is yi. When the value of x is xi plus 1, value of y is yi. So here we calculate the value of dx. Dx is absolute value xa minus xb and dy is absolute ya minus yb. Then we already learned from the previous lecture what is the initial decision parameter. Initial decision parameter is 2 into dy minus dx. So I stored the initial decision parameter value to p. It is the initial decision parameter. Now you have to select which one is the starting pixel and which one is the ending pixel. If the value of xb is less than xa, then xb be the starting pixel, otherwise xa be the starting pixel. Here xb is less, so the starting pixel is x equal to xp and y equals to yb. And what is the ending pixel then? Ending pixel equal to xa. Otherwise, the starting pixel is xa and ya and the ending pixel is xp. So, the initial starting pixel, the starting pixel xy, I am plotting the starting pixel xy with the pen color 1. Here color is an integer value. So, the color is 1 and I am plotting the starting pixel xy. So, first plot the starting pixel. Now, you have to start one while loop. This loop will continue till the loop comes to x end. So, when xb be the starting pixel, then xa be the ending pixel. And when xa is the starting pixel, xb is the ending pixel. So, while x less than equal to x end do, each time you have to increase x by 1. So, ax equals to x plus 1. Now, you have to check these two conditions. First condition is if decision parameter is less than 0. If decision parameter is less than 0, this condition, then the next decision parameter is decision parameters plus 2 del y. So, p equals to p plus 2 dy. And else, if the decision parameter value is greater than 0, else what? Decision parameter value becomes p equals to p plus 2 del y minus del x. So, p equals to p plus 2 dy minus dx. So, next p equals to p plus 2 dy minus dx. But here the line passes through yi plus 1 equals to yi plus 1. So, you have to increase y coordinate also by 1. So, y equals to y plus 1. Now, plot the pixel in each x value. So, out pixel x, y color. Now, each time you have to increase x coordinate by 1 and plot the pixel x, y, 1. I repeat, I start the loop from x to x end. I increase x by 1 coordinate. Check the condition for decision parameter. If the decision parameter is less, then the second case you have to write p equals to p plus 2 dy. Else if it is first case decision parameter is greater than 0, then you have to write p equals to p plus 2 dy minus dx. And also because now the y value becomes also increased by 1, so y equals to y plus 1. Now each time you have to plot within this while loop, you have to plot the combination of x, y and the color. In this way this loop continues till we get the whole line. Now try to solve one mathematical example of Bresenham line drawing algorithm. Draw a straight line segment in between 0, 0 and 5, 4 using Bresenham algorithm. Find the intermediate points. So, we already learned from the previous lecture when the decision parameter value is greater than 0, line passes through yi plus 1, that is yi plus 1. And if the decision parameter value is less than 0, line passes through yi plus 1, that is yi. So, first time, what is del x? Del x equals to x2 minus x1. So, it is what? It is 5 because 5 minus 0, it is 5. So what is del y? Del y equals to 4. 4 minus 0, it is 4. Now, what is initial decision parameter? We already learned from the previous lecture that the initial decision parameter P1 equals to 2 del y minus del x. So, the value is 3. Now, so what is the first coordinate? If we start from 0, 0, first coordinate is x1, y1, it is 0, 0. Now, this is our graph paper. First, iteration 1. First, what is the value of xi plus 1? First, xi plus 1 means what? Xi plus 1 means first time x value is 0. So, xi plus 1 becomes 1. So, what is the decision parameter? Decision parameter is first time initial decision parameter is positive. If the initial decision parameter is positive, if pi greater than 0, then next decision parameter is pi plus 2 del y minus del x. So, pi plus 2 del y minus del x, we get 1. So, the line passes through yi plus 1, yi plus 1. So, the value of y becomes 1 because initially it is 0, but the line passes through y0 plus 1, it becomes 1. 0 plus 1, it is 1. So, what is the next coordinate? Next coordinate will be, here it is 1, x is 1 and y is 1. So, xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1, it is 1, 1. Next time, iteration 2. In case of iteration 2, what is xi plus 1? You have to increase x by 1, so it becomes 2. So, what is decision parameter? Decision parameter is positive here. So, next decision parameter is also positive here. So, it is pi plus 2 del y minus del x. Calculate this, you get minus 1. So, what is yi plus 1? Because it is positive, yi plus 1 equals to yi plus 1. So, it becomes 1, it becomes 2. So, what is the next coordinate? Next coordinate is 2, 2. Plot 2, 2 here. So, plot 2, 2 here. Now, the third case. Third one is again increase x by 1. X becomes what? 3. What is decision parameter? Decision parameter in the previous case it is negative. So, in case it is first case or second case? Tell me. It is the second case because pi less than 0. So, it is the second case. So, pi plus 1 equals to pi plus 2 del y. So, pi plus 2 del y, calculate, get 7. Now, it is the second case. So, next y is equals to previous yi. Next yi plus 1 equals to yi. So, same. So, it becomes what? It was 2 and still it is 2. So, the coordinate is 3 and 2. So, coordinate is 3, 2. Plot 3, 2 here. Now, fourth case. Now, fourth time, it increase x by 1, it becomes what? 4. Decision parameter, previous decision parameter positive. Positive. Which case? First case. So, calculate next decision parameter, it is 5. If it is 5, then what is y? Yi is first case. If it is first case, then yi is next y coordinate. So, it becomes 3. So, what is next coordinate? It is 4, 3. Plot 4, 3. Now, fifth one. Now, what is x? X becomes what? Next, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is the last point of this line. See here, 0, 0 to 5, 4. Last point. What is decision parameter? It is positive. Positive means first or second case, first case. So, next decision parameter, it is 3. Okay. Now, what is yi plus 1? Yi plus 1 is, in that case, yi plus 1. Increase y by 1. So, it becomes 4. So, what is this coordinate? 5, 4. See, I am getting this point, last point. So, this line starts from 0, 0 to 5, 4. So, plot 5, 4. Now, draw the line. So, this is your line. In this way, you have to solve all problem of Bresenham line drawing algorithm. Now, I am giving one example, another example, and you have to solve it. See here. This is your homework. Draw a straight line segment in between 3540 and 4345 using Bresenham line drawing algorithm and find the intermediate points. So, this is your homework. Try to solve this problem and feel free to ask any question. That's all for today. Thank you.